darkness, illness, fear of poverty, fear of future, fear of failure, fear of losing. All fear were eating me every day. All the negative thoughts were hitting me all the time. I was losing my hope. My behavior became depressive. My mind was not able to decide what to do or not to do. All the time my thoughts were wandering. I was losing my belief day by day. Whenever I tried to come out from all these problems, I found it didn't decrease, opposite it increased. The more I was trying hard to come out from these situations, the more it became worse. Finally, one day, I stopped. I stopped thinking about my worries, my problems. I surrendered myself to nature, to God. I sat down, closed my eyes, and said to myself, from this moment, I won't worry. I won't worry about my problems, about my future, about my goal. I decided to let them happen, whatever happens. I did not work for 2 days and started self-talk. I analyzed my all problems and I found most of problems was related to my future. And after that, I decided to focus only on my present. I engaged myself to make every moment pleasant. I ignored my mind's chattering and started listening my heart voice. And slowly everything started changing. I realized our mind always tries to engage ourselves in temporary pleasure. On the other hand side, our heart, our soul want permanent pleasure. Our heart wants us to live our real dream, whatever we desire to become or desire to achieve genuinely. But if there is no control over our mind distracts us, it directs us towards all the temporary pleasure. Our heart says, go and read. Opposite side, mind says to watch television. Heart says, go for workout. Mind says, let's relax a little more. Heart says, do it now. Mind says, do it later. And because of less control over the mind, we follow our mind's instructions instead of our soul. And later we feel bad, sad, and we decide won't do this again, but later we repeat the same mistakes again and again. And then things doesn't go according to us, and this is real cause of depression, not following our heart voice. In between 2 days, I thought to myself that by design or by default, whatever we think every day, whatever we feel every day is going to create our world. If we are happy in our present, then there is most probability we will be happy in our future. Every day, in the morning I started giving positive affirmation to myself. I believe this is going to be a wonderful day. I can successfully handle my all problems that will arise today. I feel good physically, mentally, emotionally. It is wonderful to be alive. I am grateful for all that I have had, for all that I now have, and for all that I shall have. Things aren't going to fall apart. God is here, and He is with me, and He will see me through. I thank God for every good things. There is only one powerful formula to make life happier. Make your present pleasant and do those things which your heart allows to do. And our heart and soul never guide us, never says to go in a wrong way.